Perched along the banks of the North Saskatchewan River, Queen Elizabeth Park offers one of the most breathtaking views of Edmonton's skyline. This scenic urban park, filled with lush greenery and winding trails, serves as a peaceful escape while providing stunning vantage points of the city. Today, we take to the skies for a drone's eye view, capturing Edmonton's beauty from above, bathed in the golden hues of sunset. As the sun begins its descent, the park and the city beyond come alive with warm golden light. Golden hour is the magical time just before sunset when everything is cast in a soft radiant glow. From this height, the North Saskatchewan River winds gracefully through the landscape, reflecting the golden light like a shimmering ribbon cutting through the heart of Edmonton. The trees, still holding onto the last hints of autumn or draped in winter's calm, add to the park's charm. From above, Edmonton's skyline stands tall in the distance. The high rises, bathed in sunset tones, contrast beautifully against the vast sky. The iconic Waterdale Bridge appears in the background, its sleek white arches framing the cityscape. This moment highlights the perfect blend of nature and urban life, where modern architecture meets the timeless beauty of the river valley. From this perspective, Edmonton's heartbeat can truly be felt as the city light slowly begins to flicker on. The North Saskatchewan River flows calmly beneath us, its gentle ripples mirroring the sky's changing colors. Along its banks, walking trails and bike paths weave through the landscape, offering visitors a chance to immerse themselves in nature while staying connected to the city. The river valley remains one of Edmonton's greatest treasures, home to wildlife, adventure seekers, and those simply looking for a quiet place to reflect. As the drone glides over the Waterdale Bridge, its elegant curves and modern design stand out against the natural backdrop. Built as a key gateway into the city, this bridge has become an iconic landmark, symbolizing Edmonton's growth and innovation. From this height, we can see how seamlessly it blends into the landscape, connecting the historic charm of Old Strathcona with the vibrant downtown coast. Looking down on Queen Elizabeth Park, its open green spaces and tree-lined pathways invite exploration. Whether it's summer with its lush greenery or winter when a blanket of snow transforms it into a serene wonderland, the park remains a favorite spot for photographers, nature lovers, and those seeking a peaceful retreat. The drone sweeping moment reveals the intricate details of the beautiful space, showing how it offers both solitude and some of the best city views in Edmonton. As the sun dips below the horizon, the city begins to twinkle with lights, signaling the transition from day to night. The final golden rays fade, leaving behind a soft afterglow that reflects off the buildings and the river. The drone journey over Queen Elizabeth Park has captured a rare and beautiful moment where nature, architecture, and the elements come together in perfect harmony. It's a reminder of how Edmonton's beauty extends far beyond its busy streets, offering peaceful escapes right in the heart of the city. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Scenic Spice, where every video is a ticket to adventure. Thank you.